Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 138 new aftermarket solutions, including many that redesign repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. Here are just 5 of our top parts. Moisture and debris can foul an electronic throttle body, causing it to fail. Dorman's OE Fix throttle body for vehicles equipped with GM's 1.4-liter Ecotec engine features a non-moving Hall effect sensor to eliminate wear, and a shaft seal to keep oil, moisture, and other debris from reaching the sensitive electronics. It's also 100% new, not remanufactured, so there's never a quarter return. When the original equipment Liftgate release motor fails on certain GM vehicles, the dealer's only solution is to replace the entire motor assembly. Dorman's money-saving OE Fix repair kit allows the stripped plastic Liftgate gear to be replaced while retaining the rest of the original motor assembly. The original clutch push rod on Ford Super Duty pickups and vans wears out before the rest of the master cylinder does. The dealer only offers the complete master cylinder assembly, but Dorman's OE Fix repair kit replaces only the worn push rod, saving money and eliminating the need to bleed the clutch hydraulic system. The fuel doors on Ford Transit vans cleverly lock as the driver's door closes, but they also catch on the driver's pants as they exit, breaking their plastic hinge. This fuel filler door kit replaces the hinge but uses the original cover so no paintwork is required. Diesel fuel injector lines are intended for one-time use. Whenever they're removed for any kind of service, they should always be replaced with new lines. Dorman's fuel injector lines are made using a special metal hardening process to ensure reliable operation from this high-pressure system and include mounting hardware for a complete solution. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have over 20 new drive shaft assemblies, more than 10 replacement catalytic converters with integrated exhaust manifolds, and 8 new loaded knuckles for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. Remember, before you buy from the dealer, check Dorman first. Sign up to receive our monthly new product announcements by email at dormanproducts.com. Thanks for watching.